Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. And if you want to know how to create this look using just 3 products for your eyes, the link will be in the description box. You can go and check out that video also. And today I have come up with the most requested video of all time. I have never got so many requests for any video but this. Like everyone wanted to know, so I said okay fine, like just let's make it. In prior, I would like to tell you one thing, that I am a girl who loves brown nudes, so you will see more or less brownie nudes. Do keep on watching. Out of the 5, the first lipstick that I've been using since ages and ages is from Maybelline. And if you people have been following me from beginning, you should know that Maybelline is one of my most favorite brands. So this lipstick is the Nude Nuance lipstick from their Creamy Matte range, and this is the lipstick right over here. Nothing fancy. This is the same old Maybelline packaging that they have. So this is 3.9 grams of product for 299 rupees, which is highly affordable. I'm just going to go right into swatching first. The formulation, however, as they said, it's a very creamy matte, or you have that some sort of sheen when you move because it's in the creamy matte range. This is a brownie nude with slight hints of cool undertone in it. Actually enhances the color so much, and it's a very wearable nude. You wear it everywhere. It's like a versatile color also. One thing that I really love about this lipstick is that I mix it with any bold shade, like a dark maroon or a dark burgundy color or something like that, and you know, this color that, you know, those two colors produce is mind-blowing. Like any color you mix Nude Nuance with, it just becomes something beautiful. One application, such good color payoff and such good pigmentation. You don't need a lip liner because this lipstick does not bleed. Like once it's there, it stays put, and the longevity is, it will be on your lips. When you eat something oily or you drink something, it will transfer. This is not a transfer proof lipstick. Any cream lipsticks, they are not transfer proof. It will transfer, but this is not patchy. It's very comfortable to wear, and you know, it is very hydrating. You don't need a lip balm, or you don't need to worry about, you know, it drying out. It's a very light lipstick. It's a very travel friendly lipstick, and you can just put it anywhere and be good to go. It doesn't have any con. Next lipstick is from Wet n Wild, and this is the lipstick over here. This is the Wet n Wild Sandstorm lipstick. This is 3.3 grams of product for 325 rupees. Is a nude brown with orange undertones. What I mean to say is, this is a terracotta kind of color. Terracotta is a mix of orange and brown. So this is a terracotta nude shade, which I absolutely flippin' love. This is cruelty free as well as gluten free, which is really good. And the packaging, guys, the packaging is what had me buy this. Oh my god, like such a beautiful packaging. But again, the con of it is, this lipstick is fully like inside, okay, like inside. If you can hear the click, can you hear that click? It's fully inside, but it's still protruding out. Like, you know what, you have to be so careful while opening it and closing it, because if you close it in a haphazard manner, it's just going to go for a toss and it's going to break. Whenever I apply it, it's always pushing to the walls of it, and I'm very scared that it'll break off. The creamy kind of lipstick, this usually happens, and I'm very scared about that. So I'll just get on to swatching first. Say that it's a semi-matte lipstick. According to them, it's a creamy consistency lipstick. You eat something, it just goes, it just transfers and it'll go. And it also has hyaluronic acid as well as marine plant extracts, which is fancy. One swipe application and the color payoff is flippin' good. Don't need a lip liner for this because it does not bleed, it will just stay on your lips. But one thing is, it is a bit drying. If you're having chapped lips or something, it will go sit off and settle on your drier areas. So I would highly recommend you to exfoliate your lips or apply some thin layer of lip balm before using this. This is a very travel friendly light lipstick, so you can just put it anywhere and go. The next lip is from NY Bae. This is the Metz Matte Lip Crayon. I don't know what Metz means. And this is in the shade Aced It 11. And this is the lipstick over here. I'm gonna just like swatch it for you. This lipstick is a peachy nude lipstick. This is 2.8 grams of product for rupees 149, and it is exclusively only available in purple, which is a disadvantage because it's not available in other websites, which slightly disheartens me. I think it's available on Amazon, but I would not recommend you to buy any sort of cosmetics from Amazon because I don't know, I just don't believe the sellers over there. Like, you can buy anything else but not cosmetics because it's your skin, it's your skin and your body is your temple, so please do not misuse it by using fake products. Travel friendly, budget friendly, very light-weighted lipstick. I never usually wear peachy or pink nudes. I prefer brown, but this shade had my heart. Like, it's so beautiful. I can't even begin to tell you. It's like so stunning, this color. People who are a little bit darker than me or in a tan shade color, they will feel that it's too bright for them, because for me itself, I felt it's a little bit bright, but when you wear makeup and all, it's beautiful. Okay, it looks absolutely phenomenally beautiful. It is a bit patchy. I feel that, you know, when you're like applying like this and then you go again, it's gonna take the product along with it. So be careful when you're applying it. The another biggest problem that I have is this is not retractable. You have to sharpen it, which is absolutely disheartening because if you're going to travel with this, you have to travel with a sharpener also. If it came with a sharpener, like those ads lip liner, you're paying such less price for it, like so affordable, but it comes, each pencil comes with a lip liner, but this doesn't, it's not retractable, so you have to keep sharpening it. I didn't like about that, but other than that, this is a beautiful shade and absolutely flippin' love it. Lipstick also again will just stay on your lips until unless you eat something or you drink something, it's going to go away, but you can retouch, right? What is the thing? It's just a crayon. I love crayon lipsticks for this reason, that it's so, like, you just put it anywhere and go, and it's just, you know, you can retouch it like, okay fine, let's go. And you don't need to worry about it at all. That's what is phenomenally good about this. And other than that, I have no issues with it. If you're a person who loves peachy pinky nudes, this is for you. So the next lipstick that I have for you guys is from Bella Roste, and this is in the shade 11 Lean On. This is the lipstick over here, and I'm just going to go directly to swatching again. What a phenomenally gorgeous pink nude is this. Oh my god, I can't, okay, like, it is so flattering, and it's like, you know, I love to wear this lipstick, and I even use it slightly like a blush sometimes because it has this very creamy consistency and a mousse kind of formula, which I flippin' love, and it's very comfortable on the lips, very lightweight. 2.8 gram of product for rupees 149, which is fabulous. It's very budget friendly and it is travel friendly also. It's very light, you can take it and go wherever you want. It is not transfer proof. It will transfer because again this is a very creamy consistency and the color payoff is amazing. Like, one swipe and the pigment is flippin' gorgeous, legit gorgeous. And NY Bae, I had to, like, as I said, it was patchy, but this is not patchy at all. Pigmentation is fabulous, travel friendly option, and it just stays on your lips. It does not bleed. Again, you don't need a lip liner for it. So this just stays on your lips and it doesn't budge, which is really good. And you can carry it anywhere and everywhere. Just like suggest you to just apply a thin layer of lip balm before applying this, because if you're a person who have little bit of sensitive or dry skin, it will become little more drier as time goes by. Staying power, it as long as you don't eat anything, as long as you don't drink anything, it's gonna be on your lips. It's not gonna budge. If you're gonna like sip something, it's gonna like just stay in the mug. Another con of this is, again, it's exclusively available only on Purplle, not on any other website. As long as I saw it, I didn't find it on any other website. And another con of it is, again, it's not retractable. You have to keep sharpening it, so it's like, you know, oh my god, it's so much of work for me. Such a beautiful pink nude. If you like pink nudes, you can go for this. Guys, so we have come to the last lipstick of the video. This lipstick was gifted to me by my fiance. Actually, he got me this travel pack of MAC, and initially I was not a huge fan of this lipstick because I used to love matte lipsticks and nothing other than that. But the day I started liking creamy mattes, this is the lipstick I go to anytime, anywhere I have to go, I would just grab this lipstick. And of course, I've not removed the packaging, even though it's been like 8 to 10 months almost. Anything expensive that I own, I don't throw off the cover. It is just to show that, you know, this thing actually adds value to my life. This is the lipstick over here by MAC. I'm gonna apply that. So the good thing is you get this in 2 sizes. This is the big one and you get the mini ones also. This one is 3 grams of product for 1,700 rupees. And the mini version is 1.8 grams of product for 1050 rupees, which you people want to try, you can try it. A bit expensive, and I totally understand that. If you want a dupe for that, Nude Nuance is your friend, because this is like exactly the same color. It's just that Nude Nuance is a tad bit darker than this, like 5% darker, but other than that it's exactly the same thing. The formulation, the color, everything. Again, this is like, you know, a one swipe application, you get such good color payoff. Everyone say that this is a matte lipstick, but no, I feel this is a creamy matte because it has some sort of sheen. It's not completely matte and it's very comfortable to wear. Again, the wearing part of this is it'll stay on your lips the whole day as long as you eat something or drink something. It's just gonna run out. And this again is not a transfer proof lipstick, very travel friendly lipstick. It's a very compact, sleek packaging. The packaging feels luxurious, okay? It's not budget friendly. That's the con that I can find for you. And I feel that if you're going to pay so much of money, I want it to stay on my lips for longer and show some sort of result. But this is, as I said, you know, Maybelline Nude Nuance and this is exactly the same. It's just that, you know, you're paying something little extra for this lipstick, which is absolutely useless, but you know, just for the sake of it, if you want to buy it and try it out, you can do it. Texture is also very moussey, like it's very comfortable on the lips and it's not drying at all. It's very hydrating, like, you know, you're not wearing anything on your lips. It's so light and so moisturizing and your lips are not going to crack. And this lipstick again doesn't need a lip liner and it won't bleed. So that's a very good thing. If you guys don't want to invest in this, you just go to Maybelline Nude Nuance. Both are absolutely the same. So that is it, guys. That is my top 5 nude lipsticks that I absolutely love. These are so travel friendly, budget friendly, other than MAC all are, and it's so good. You people can give it a try. I'm going to leave everything's link in the description box so that, you know, you don't have difficulty searching for it. If you like this video, please do give it a like, a comment and share. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you want me to do any other top 5, you can just comment down. I will happily do it for you. And if you have any other recommendations or suggestions, you please do comment down. I will happily do it for you. And I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.